Today, it was a day of sharp decline on Dalal Street. Nifty fell over 1% to close below its 200-day moving average. The Sensex too erased all its weekly gain as it took a 300-point hit. Now, the fall was led by the bank stocks and saw the Nifty bank fall more than 200 points in trade. The mid-caps outperformed relatively, closing only 0.4% in the red. Anuj Singhal is standing by to decode the markets for us. Anuj, Friday the 13th clearly has hit Dalal Street hard.
Well, the markets were down but not out. That really was the way to sum it up because at one point it looked like we were going to have a really ugly day, but then the market stabilized and took support at important levels. For the Nifty, for example, 7,800 was defended and defended quite well. Same was the case with the Nifty futures as well. Today, of course, the market had to negotiate weak global cues. Asian markets were down about 1.5% and some domestic cues as well in terms of some fresh worries on what's happening with the P-note issue. Banks led the decline, though the mid-cap index or the mid-cap stocks managed to hold on and stay resilient, which was a good point for the bulls. Let's talk about the stocks that led the decline. HDFC was the chief contributor, but then again, HDFC has been one of the stocks of the month, so some profit booking was always in order. ICICI Bank was the other chief drag, as was Larsen & Toubro. Some other stocks that declined included SBI, Reliance and TCS. The biggest Nifty losers, though, were Eicher Motors, where promoters sold stake in a block deal and a large chunk of that, 2,000 crores, that was down. Adani Port was lower and HUL was also declining in trade. The Nifty gainers today included stocks like Asian Paints, which made a new lifetime high, Idea and also Tata Motors. Stocks of the day from the broader market, Manappuram locked on circuit after spectacular numbers. Crompton Consumer Products, which got listed and actually ended on upper circuit, and Havells, which also got re-rated after that MSCI inclusion. And some losers included UCO Bank after a disastrous set of numbers rather, Reliance Communications and Indiabulls Real Estate. So all in all, a bad day, but it could have been worse.